Hello, I'm Carlton Pearson, and I'd like to share with you about the idea of an exciting, provocative, and fascinating new television series titled Sons of Thunder. It is a series based on the true story of a Pentecostal preacher's son who leaves the church world and goes on tour with the likes of Stevie Wonder, the Rolling Stones, and other musical greats of the 1970s. It will explore the conflict that he faces between his church roots and the hedonism and self-indulgence of the rock world, and it will showcase some of the great R&B, rock groups and gospel music of that particular era. This new freedom is not something this young man is used to. He has to navigate his way through his divinity, his tremendously artistic and gifted self and soul, and his humanity. Greed, ego, lust, desire, and how he makes the delicate balance between his humanity and his divinity, something that we all do. So with your support, we can produce a compelling pitch to network television. So thank you very much for believing in the series, Sons of Thunder.